How to trim and cut in Premiere Pro? When we work with new project and import the footage on timeline, then we need to trim or cut the footages according to duration and requirement. Here are two methods for cutting the footage. One is trim and other is cut by razor. When we are on selection mode, then we can trim the footage. When we will go to edge on left side of video footage, arrow will change into trim sign. And when we will drag the mouse on right, footage will trim. Basically, trim tool works, and video roll or fold inside the timeline, it will hide. We can reverse this rolling, and video can re-roll and unfold. I hope the concept of trim has been cleared in your mind. Now we learn about razor tool. Import new clip and drag into timeline. You can choose razor tool for toolbar. Its shortcut key is C. Now, if you click the razor on track, video footage will cut and will divide into two pieces. During the video editing for cutting, these both tools are used at a time. Sometime you cut by razor and sometime you use trim. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Keep in touch for more videos. Thank you for watching.